This is a teardown of a SmartLink 8-port NWay switch. It's a 10100 switch, model number FH100-8SE. Pretty gross looking. I think it came out of a smoker's house. Yeah, it looks like it's snapped together, so we'll see if I can pry it apart, otherwise it's going to get the flow treatment. Ugh. Oh, it might actually be a screw. Aha, there's also a screw. Thought snap together seemed a little too easy, but you never know sometimes with these lower quality devices. Plastic's very brittle, and oh yay, cockroaches. Looks like they're dead. Well, that's fun. I hate being a recycler sometimes. Looks like they're all dead. Yum. Anyways, looks like we got a Realtek controller chip here. And these heat sinks are soldered, have pins that are soldered onto them to hold it to the PCB. See if I can pop one off, see what the controllers are for the switch ports. And there we go. Ultima. There's two of them, so I'm guessing each one of these is controlling a bank of 4 ports. And this housing that this was around this is going straight to the trash. So far I've been fortunate with no cockroaches, but don't want to change that. But yeah, not much to see on the back. Some passives around the jacks and then around the main controller chip. Looks like around the LEDs too. Resistors. A whole bunch of resistors, a lot of them. It's like 108, 111, 111 is the highest number I see. So there's 111 resistors on this board. Oh, well, no, it might be more than that because it's A side and B side. Or maybe that's circuits? I don't know. Oh, wait. Those aren't resistors. Those are just different components. Either way, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.